Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to give you an update of where I'm at with the race coupe. I actually made a couple of videos prior to starting up the channel, which captured all the problems, that I ran into. So I've put that all together in this video, and I'll give you at least a little snapshot of what we found and how I got here and how I got the motor back. I guess how I got the car back home with no motor. Car still needs basically the whole interior. I'll capture all that. Those are future, I guess, videos down the road. Lots of work still left to go. So hope you enjoy this one, and I'll see you shortly. Cheers.
Go ahead. Do another one. Move that one over there. Do that one. Do the front one. It's up though.
Hey, grab. Why is it? Yeah? There's something under that wheel. Go forward a bit. That's fine. That wheel's dragging. It's okay. Watch this move.